Blacktopping along Wangoi to Thiam Sangkong distresses to within 20 days. People expresses disappointment over failure of quality maintenance. National Book Trust India assures opportunity of translation and publishing of state's book in other languages of India, including English and Hindi. President of All Manipur United Clubs Organization, Fairuism Nando Luwang, says community-centric approach will hamper state's progress. And 41st Sub-Junior, Junior and Senior Artist and 4th Aerobic Gymnastic Championship kick-off at Kumant Lampak Sports Complex Indoor Stadium. Hello and welcome to Impact News, watching Primetime English News. I'm Kanguzam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Despite state government's vow to abolish corruption from the state, numerous complaints continued unabated over silent treatment by relevant departments towards failure of quality maintenance in several works taken out by contractors who are executing development works of the state government. Blacktopping of 2 kilometers stretch of road from Wangoi to Mayadambi to Thiam Sangkong leading towards Sobagai has damaged even before completion of 20 days due to poor quality. Speaking to Impact News, one local said more than 1,000 of commuters goes through Mayalabi in a single day. The local also highlighted the plights facing the people due to potholes and poor quality of the road. One local resident narrated that a contractor named Anil has carried out blacktopping of the roads from Wangoi till Thiam Sangkong 20 days earlier. But the process was, however, halted. People of the area lamented that the recently blacktop road has started peeling off and cracks have appeared in 8 different areas within days of repairing. They expressed disappointment that the authorities concerned have failed to take any actions against those miscreants involved in the misdeed till date. They urged the government to look into the matter at the earliest.
Kungi koigi koilas thariba asise numit kunni phau phadri hauzik loinma kairaga leire
koigi mayai lambi gi rota thiam lai changkhong chai de koilas thari che quality maintain yaudabani na lambi gi accident ju mayam na thoe koilas ju loi kai re lambi ju aduna government na mari leinabo authority na miyeng changbi yu akhoi mayai lambi parja gi yengaga lambi su tara do su pakthok piraga aphaba mawong da sembi yu.
National Book Trust India assured to provide the opportunity of translation and publishing of books of the state in many other languages of the India, including in English and Hindi. NBTI Chairman Professor Gobind Prasad Sarma announced the same at the inauguration of 2 weeks job-oriented certificate course in book publishing today. 45 students, including 2 students from other states, are taking part in the event jointly organized by National Book Trust and Department of Commerce, Manipur University. Speaking at the event, Deputy Chief Minister Yumna Joy Kumar lauded the initiatives taken up by NBTI. He opined that the need to introduce diploma course regarding book publishing at Manipur University, as such courses are available at other universities of other states. Speaking on the occasion, Vice Chancellor of Manipur University, Jarnail Singh, appealed those concerned to be careful and spread positive messages during writing and publication of books in a sensitive state like Manipur.
Any writer from Manipur can submit his book. We will examine him and we are ready to publish it. Our mandate is to promote books among common men. A book having culture, social life, habits, eating habits, living standards, we will publish them.
One of the mandate for the NBT was also to translate these foreign literatures, classical foreign literatures, and make it available in English or maybe in Hindi also. There's a need to translate those literature also in different Indian languages so that different societies of the country understand those.
President of All Manipur United Clubs Organization, Amuko Pairuism Nando Luwang, has urged the leaders and various civil society organizations of the state to set aside personal agendas and work for the development and welfare of the state. He was speaking at the inauguration of the Community Leaders Meet organized by Amuko at Earth Science Hall in Manipur University today. The meet will continue till February 12th. Nando Luang said that although there are numerous CSOs in the state, the welfare of the state is withering away and people are facing various inconveniences owing to lack of proper communication. He stressed the need to answer the burning question if there will be any CSOs in the future, failing which he muted that the upcoming youths will be deeply disappointed towards them. President Nando Luang alleged that colonial India has pressurized many multinational corporations in various hill areas to extract national resources. He espoused the need for the public to keep aside communal differences and unite against the same, stating that there seemed to be prevailing misunderstanding among the various CSOs of hill and valley areas of the state. He urged them to resolve the matter at the earliest. Federalism Nando Luang called upon the people to strive to build a society based on the foundation of truth. Professor of Manipur University, Amar Yumnam, President of Kuki Inpi Manipur, Kaimang Songlai, and many eminent persons took part in the event.
Misunderstanding bu leiraba makal kaya problem kaya thokane hoji misunderstanding leis Manipur da mapung wena valley da base to wa haina bi bhai tar masi organization ma koi Manipur da pun hing min si haibese masi kana gumba 62 we bi territorial council we bi masi ali ba kambu da di moi gi demand da hurdle to wa khunglo poro wa moi di yakhai thingai pi budum khan amana mu territorial council 67 pi ga da bani haiba demand ta li ba kambu si Manipur gi apun ba sakdam da thugai dori na so da adum interpretation tawna leina bane sumba misunderstanding mayam se masi ko na ba min si apoi masi thibam change madu thina bane ngasi apoi ngasi gi discussion gi platform ma apoi masi sinjari hauji leiba trust division oi riba misunderstanding mayam se amuko gi wakhalo di kai khan gi bo masi ko na pambai se masi through open dialogue through open discussion dagi masi ko na pambai oi gane haba khanjai aduna koi ma'am tana min khana min sai punging de leiba wafam sing yam openly haina ra ganda communication gap le roi communication gap le ta di o magi grievances na sini magi problem sini abi wafam sing sengdok na raga madu apoi gi peaceful coexistence lakna palambi ma
Lamlai Club members Merat Lob, people of the area, village managing committee, school committee and joint body of people of the area expressed disappointment of a failure of government to enhance education system of the state despite their promises. People also lamented that government high schools and primary schools at Lamlai in Imphal East lacks teacher as well as infrastructure despite submission of relevant documents through Chief Minister Nongthaman Biren, Education Minister, Tokson Tradisham, local MLA to top officials of Education Department. Members of Joint Demand Committee of Jingdom High School Yangon Pokpi organized a press meet regarding the issue at Manipur Press Club today. Speaking to media, committee convener C.H. Sanayanba said only 5 teachers are teaching the students of Jingdom High School, which is one of the most important schools of Yangapongpi in Lamlai. While in the primary school, only 1 teacher is guiding the pupils. He lamented over unresponsiveness of the authorities concerned regarding the lack of teachers at high school and primary school despite submission of written request. C.H. Sanayanba asserted that 25 students of Jingdom High School will also be appearing in the upcoming Class 10 examination. He warned to impose ban on the school if the government failed to look into the matter latest by February 12. C.H. Sanayanba also prohibited from taking up any governmental works at the school.
MLA kana taksan badagi honorable MLA masam yauna education minister oibireba honorable Sarade Samgi Kansipur leiba magi yumda koi nong phaminaraga hairiba honorable minister jina cheji mark toroga hairi immediately noi process tawro haidana chem ibiraga director da thiluchu haidana akoi isamangna thinma chale adubu ngasi pawboda oja je tharakpagi phibam ama leiraktabadagi miyamgi numita chief minister da mu wakachare chief minister namu hairiba pose director ta chalo ai che irage haina mana mark toriba cheji amhu director thajale hauji phawdo oja tharakpagi mami leite satragi right education je moina matpi bane aduna moi jungdi mathak chaba cherak pibam di thokbane sarkar gi education department gi thawong je khoi yam pende ta sengna angang jingbu mapung phane education pina ba larik tambi bodune nga se khoina pami je school ji gi yengjin bibam thokba yengjin drabani na laiba tang 13 dagi school je khoi mapung phane close tawsalagani masda sarkar go ba thabak thorma mata tawba yaro.
Government college teachers continued their agitation demanding implementation of the 7th UCCP and Regulation 2018 unabated today. Members of Federation of Government College Teachers Association Manipur, FEGOKTA, carried out a protest demonstration against the same at the multipurpose hall of DM College University today. Speaking to media, FEGOCTA Vice President Dr. Khuraizam Mohan asserted that the association will continue their protest until the government fulfills their demand. He even warned of last fast unto death if the government failed to address the issue. He mentioned that members of the association had earlier met with the state government, concerned ministers and representatives of relevant departments on the same, but no action has been taken of till date. He urged the government to give cabinet approval of the demands of the government teachers to resume normal academic activities at the earliest.
We are expecting positive results. How you work the live active Higadra. Gumba positive response. I'm the period of Sinamara Guy Quetiam and Ninganaba. I'm a poly Aduna. Gumba Gomena Aquina. Next cabinet meeting the Utopiraga, Aqui agitation chair, compelled to Honda. Aqui to Sata Singse, like you talk no Cotinamna, English in the labor Rupamba. Adamatang some Chokolaga, even I quite pass on to their powder.
Many teachers of the Imphal East, Imphal West, Thobal and Kaching districts teased the sit-in demanding the government to fulfill its assurance to rectify the academic grade pay under Manipur Services Revision B Rules 2019 at Thobal JDO office complex today. Taking part in the protest, convener of Council of Teachers Association, Kota C.H. Santakumar, said the ROP 2019 passed by the state government is a huge inconvenience for the teachers. He mentioned that Chief Minister Nauthaman Birend and Education Minister Thoksun Rawatisham assured to form a committee to rectify the mistake in AGP under ROP 2019 at the earliest. He urged the government to look into the matter without further delay. Members of Chorchampur and Farzul District Education Employees Union carried out a protest demonstration today, demanding to rectify ROP 2019 and implementation of 7 pay scale of the teachers at the earliest. Taking part in the protest, spokesperson of the union, Joy Chandra, expressed disappointment that the government has failed to take any actions to implement 7 pay scale despite repeated appeals to till date. He warned that the teachers will not partake in the upcoming examination conducted by BOSIMT and COSIM in the 2 districts if the government failed to fulfill their demands at the earliest. More than 600 members of the union took part in the protest held at JDO Chorchampur office. GSC against forced construction of Mapitel Dam to warrant of 48 hours general strike along Imphal-Ukhrul Road starting February 17 if the government failed to settle the issue in connection with the rehabilitation and resettlement of the affected villages latest by February 16. Speaking to media in a press meet held at Manipur Press Club today, GSC spokesperson cum chairman of Mapitel Dam affected headmen, chiefs and elders organization M. Ngarian Mi highlighted the plights facing affected villages by Mapitel Dam. He said upon meeting Chief Minister Nauthaman Birend on November 19, 2018, he assured to take up necessary measures for the villages. M. Ngarian Mi lamented over the failure of the government to put the assurances into action. He asserted that such indifference by the government has disheartened the villagers and they have even started to look out for other ways for livelihood, including engagement in illegal poppy plantation and other illegal activities. And Ngarian Mi appealed the authorities concerned to look into the matter at the earliest.
Damna Shokiba, Tammi Amati Jingi Miamse, Uji Lam later Bnena, Low Upam later, Nataba, Ekoi, Poppy plantation, Aduga, Ekoi, illegal oiba, Langway Nungshe, Kokaleba, Adana, unlawful tabake, Yam Chatagadaure, Garmana Mashi, Karayang Bider D, Ekoi, lifeless oire, Adana public Miamse, Yamware, Adana, Yanaki Bache, Atum the agreement on Nanaba. Government Shinbiu, Masida Karikuma government action louderdi, Tampata Labor, Ekoi, civil society, Amati Jingle Labor Society Miam Pulaga, Ekoi, Kanba, Kongjang Mukjang.
Secretary of All Manipur Tom Cable Distributor Welfare Association KH Amazit said the distributors were threatened to terminate if they were ever disclosed the issue regarding failure to provide facility of Tom Cable network channels, which is under the Lumsingberg Group of Company by the distributors through media. Speaking to media in a press meet organized by the association at Manipur Press Club today, Amarjit said on June 29, 2019, Chairman of Lumsingberg Group of Company announced free trial of Tom Cable network across the state starting September 25, 2019, and a short completion of installation of cable fiber in the state by GTB Company within the stipulated time. He added 3 distributors were kept at each and every constituency of the state, and 1 lakh rupees each were collected from them, and another 10,000 rupees fine from 80 distributors. Following which, distributors collected 6,100 rupees each from around 8,000 subscribers. He lamented that subscribers are yet to get Tom Cable network till date. KH Amarjit asserted that the subscribers have been urging the distributors to withdraw the money as they have failed the service. He further said that Lumsingberg Group of Company also denied to clarify regarding the issue to the public. KH Amarjit urged the Lumsingberg Group of Company to withdraw money of distributor and subscriber, including interest. He added that all Manipur Tom Cable Distributor Welfare Association, along with the subscribers, will carry out various protests if the company failed to look into the issue.
हानगी लेरमीबा थबकसिगी फिबमसिदगी याना यानाबा मोंगदा सुम लैबसिना मरम ओरकांदा डिस्ट्रीब्यूटरसिंग असे नोमगी सब्सक्राइबरसिंगसिगी अकनबा वहाई वता अमदी पैसा हंदो अदगी सब्सक्राइबरसिंगसिना खोइ नैरइबा मयामसे खोइ ममांगदसु थोकजागरे ngमोइदबो अगदी खोइ तोकजरागे अदगी अमनामु हुजिकसे अखोइना समाइना प्रेस मिट थोनी समाइ तौरनी खोइ मयामसि पेंदबजे कंपनी दा खोइ खितंग हाइजगे हाइना तौबगी पोसिदा हुजि चेयरमैन नताबदा लैरिबा टोंग केबलगी स्टाफसिंग अखोइदा तोंगानबा चार्ज अमसु कैगम एनी एजिटेशन तौरबो हेक तौरबो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर डिसमिस तौने वफम मोइना थम्बिएबा याम अखोइदा कसुनताबा थ्रेटमसु मोइना हेक्ता तौएबा अदि अखोइजि वा nganगनु हाइब्रा अखोइदि तुमिनसु लैबा यादे मरमदि कैनो कनादा साइड साइडदगी सब्सक्राइबर सिंगसिना ngangaइबा खोनसिदि युमदा लैबा ngमक्तराबनि सेगना हाइरगदि मरमदि आईएसटीवी पुसलamba इम्पैक्ट टीवी पुसलamba मयामजे कक्थलगनादा तोम टीवी पुसनबा यावरइनेबा हुजि लैबाकी इ पाउतामा ngदि थामा तु सुजिले
Under MLA cum Forest and Environment Minister Thonasam Shyam Kumar inaugurated an adult tinkering laboratory at Azad Higher Secondary School Yaribok today with an aim to motivate students in the field of science and technology. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Shyam Kumar said teachers, parents and guardians, they have major role in upgrading government schools. He appealed teachers to work with utmost dedication and love. The laboratory opened under the sponsorship of Niti Aayog will avail students of the school and students at the vicinity to learn more about science and mathematics. Speaking at the inaugural function, Minister Shyam Kumar dedicated the improving status of government schools in Andhra to the hard work of the teachers, parents and guardians. He assured to look after the lack of teachers and lacking infrastructure of the school after conclusion of upcoming class 10th and 12th examinations. Minister Shyam Kumar appealed to Education Minister and officials of Education Department to look into enhancing the education sector of the constituency. Principal of Azad Higher Secondary and Jadumani, Vice President of Development Organization Andro Sanas Nongsaibam, officials of Idul Life to India and other people attended the event. The minister also gave deworming tablets to the students of Azad Higher Secondary School on the occasion.
State government amadi union government na sarkargi school tamiba chhatrasing model education ga chanaba mawangda matam gi oiba technique amadi lab kya hangdokpidana ngasidi koi malemgi lamjen danabada education gi sector da on pronaba chaw khongtha ama purakpani hadon lawi sumba lab asi laiba school gi ojasing maruina lecturersing amadi magi lab assistant mayam singna ningthina angangsing da guide tawpirakanda pung phaba muigani adu angangsing da khudong chabagi magi knowledge adu ujasing na ningthina pibidragadi masi meaning leiroi sarkari school phanba basi ujasing gi daita gi achauba daita lei ujasing gi minungsi amadi thaujal honabadu yaudana leipak sakhapunga moi ujagi nungsiba minungki thaujasing adu piu haidna.
Health and Family Welfare Minister Lampolapam Jayantikumar inaugurated the office of National People's Party (NPP) at Chorchampur ex-servicemen building in Chorchampur today. Party President Thangmilian Kipkent and other leaders of the party attended the inaugural function. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Jayant Kumar said that National People's Party (NPP) is not only a regional party but also a national political party which have been recognized by Election Commission of India. He appealed the party workers to work with dedication. Shiv Sena Manipur State has submitted a memorandum to Union Home Minister Amit Shah through Ministry of Home Affairs, urging him to take disciplinary action against the aggrieved Assam Rifles personnel. It may be recalled that a women IPS officer was physically assaulted by one Assam Rifle personnel at Kuding Tabi post in Technopol district on January 19. Thawal District Police has arrested the miscreant who tried to rape, stab and stone a woman from Charangpot Mamang Lekai and the Thawal Police Station at the canal of Ningthim Cha local on February 3. The miscreant is 27 years old Laishram Anand, son of Laishram Ingosabi from Thairok Patu Mayai Leika. He was arrested last night. Anand was produced before at the court of Chief Judicial Magistrate Thawal and remanded 5 days police custodial for necessary interrogation. It may be recalled that the GEC formed against the unfortunate incident has been carrying out protest demonstration demanding to award befitted punishment to the culprit. A combined team of 31 Assam Rifles Bravo Company and Bishnupur District Commando apprehended 2 suspected active camp members of proscribed outfit United National Liberation Front UNLF and KCP and overgroup worker OZW from different areas yesterday. The arrested persons are 35 years old, Haubizam Biseswar, son of late H. Babu from Thanga Samukol Lekai, and 42 years old Mutun Roma, alias Nawijanu, daughter of M. Jugindramete from Tronklawi Awang Lekai. The team, including women police, first arrested Roma, who is an overground member of KCP and overgroup worker, at around 8:30 a.m. The team also able to arrest Biseswar, who is an active member of UNLF, at around 4 p.m. Kabulamjang Police Station has registered a case against them and investigations are underway. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Assam's plan to conduct survey to identify indigenous Muslim population. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. Assam is likely to conduct an exercise to identify the state's indigenous Muslim population and segregate them from the illegal Bangladeshi immigrants, even as doubts over the accuracy of the National Register of Citizens are yet to be addressed. As part of plans, the survey will be conducted to identify people of 4 communities, Goria, Moria, Desi, and Jola of the T tribes considered as indigenous. Assam Welfare of Minorities Minister Razid Dutta has convened a meeting on Tuesday with various organizations of the 4 communities and other stakeholders to finalize the plan. Assam has about 1.3 crore Muslim population, of which around 90 lakhs are of Bangladeshi origin. The remaining 40 lakhs are from different tribes and they need to be identified, said Assam Minority Development Board Chairman Munimal Awal. He also claimed that the indigenous Muslims are deprived of benefits of the government welfare scheme in absence of proper identification. Awal, who is also the convener of Janagostia Samansway Parishad Assam, JSPA, said the entire rationale behind such an exercise is to give protection to the indigenous people from demographic changes in the state. District Election Officer Imphal is felicitated women and persons with disabilities PWD poll personnel who were on election duty during 17th Lok Sabha election 2019 in an event held at Panchayat Bhavan in DC office complex Porompa today. Manipur Chief Electoral Officer P.K. Singh and Imphal East Deputy Commissioner Dr. Rangitabli Waikom distributed certificates to PWD poll personnel who were on election duty at 15/32 polling station in Wonkai Assembly constituency and women personnel who carried out excellent election duty at various other polling stations of Imphal East. Speaking to media, Yai School and Wangkai ARO come Imphal East District Additional District Magistrate Samin Ahmad Sa said 340 women polling officers, including 6 PWD poll personnel, executed duty at 55 polling stations for Imphal East in the 17th Lok Sabha election. He also said that men, women, and third gender casted votes in the election. Samin Ahmad Sa asserted that the event was held acknowledging the roles of the polling officials in successfully conducting the election. Third gender who exercised their franchise in the election were also felicitated at the occasion.
17th Lok Sabha election sida inclusive akoi election gi wakhalon ga mari leinana akoina all sectors of society amadi all genders election sida participate tahonjaki PWD poll personnel makhai tagi oiba 15/32 da khoi thajaraga moibusu poll duty da khoina saru ya hanjaki nupi khaktagi oiba polling station yankhai manga asigi manung sida assembly constituency ya school si amadi mapum moina nupi ngaktagi oiba poll duty khoina chalhanjaki election commission of india na so khoina tawjakriba daki 17 lok sabha election da khoina phangtok sakriba mipung khudimak ya honjakiba election do sakhangbi boina deputy commissioner amadi district election officer madam Rangitabli busu sakhangbirak khoi best electoral practice award phangbirei ya school gi aro busu best aro khoi CEO office state level gi NVD function da pibirei.
Organization for Indian Women Against Crime, Kanchipur, organized an appreciation program for the members of Kokomi and Manpak at the office of the organization in Kanchipur today. The event was held acknowledging the roles of the members towards the society. A web series entitled J-Tank, based on the crimes on the women in the state, produced by the organization, was also released on the occasion. Editor of Shanghai Express, Kogendra Kontrant, Advocate Ngangom Taskumar, Kokomi Co-Coordinator Sunin Karant, Manpai Co-Convener Yumnamcha Dilip Kumar, and other people attended the event. Speaking at the event, Secretary of Organization for Indian Women Against Crime, Arambam Probita, said, "We must not forget the contribution of members of Kokomi and Manpak for the people of the state." Five-day 45th Annual College Week 2019-20 of DM College of Teacher Education Imphal kick off today. Trainees Union DM College of Teacher Education Imphal organized the event at the college campus. The College Week will continue till February 15. Speaking at the event, Principal of DM College of Teacher Education, H. Ibomsa Sarma, said the event aimed to facilitate teacher trainees of the college to channelize their energy as well as to provide platform to execute their talents in the field of art and culture and sports. The principal expressed disappointment at the low turnout of teacher trainees at the event. A total of 5 houses are participating at the event. Various art and culture and sport events will be held during the College Week. Many teachers and staff of the college attended the inaugural event.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯑꯣꯡ ꯇꯥꯗꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡ ꯅꯥꯏꯗꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯉꯥꯛꯇ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯁꯥꯟꯅ ꯈꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯉꯥꯏꯐꯗꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯛꯏ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡ ꯐꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯍꯥꯔꯣꯟꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯅꯔꯖꯤꯁꯤ ꯆꯦꯅꯦꯂꯥꯏꯖ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯧꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯛ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯟꯗꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕ ꯂꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯦꯂꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯎꯠꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯧꯔꯒ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯗ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯊꯧꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯎꯕ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯗꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ
Patriotic Writers Forum PWF Manipur held its 12th Foundation Day at Manipur Press Club today. A poem book consisting of 105 poems entitled Why My Songs Achieve Paintings, written by forum member Omar Wangkemp, was released on the occasion. Many noted writers were also felicitated at the event. General Council member of Sahitya Academy, New Delhi, Professor Joda Chandra Sanasam, social and cultural activist Dr. S. Manautont, and Tripuri writer Krishnam Birla Singha attended the program. 3 days training program on enhancing agricultural marketing through value addition of horticultural crops kicked off at the training hall of Krishi Vigyan Kendra KVK Thobal today. Manipur Small Farmers Agribusiness Consortium and Krishi Vigyan Kendra KVK Thobal jointly organized the program under the aegis of National Institute of Agricultural Marketing, Jaipur. Agriculture Director Lantampui Wangchong IAS, Project Coordinator of Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium MS Kaidem Horticulture and District Officer of Soils Conservation Thobal KSH Navakishore and KVK Thobal Subject Matter Specialist Agronomy and Tomba attended the event. Speaking at the event, Director Lalangpui Wangchong said, amid worldwide focus on organic agricultural production, organizing such program to share knowledge to farmers for value horticulture production and good marketing is a good initiative. Resource person will stress on various topics including organic farming to avail benefits of funds under agri-based project entrepreneurship and many more. Farmers from Thobal and Kakching are taking part in the program. KCP People's Work Group warmly welcomed the decision of state government to not allow government doctors to take duty at private clinics and private hospitals. KCP PWG PRO Chinkhenganba in a press release said the group is more concerned on education and health is as to form an equal society. It also mentioned that Central Committee of the outfit has ever handed over the work to delve into pharmacists and medical representatives of the state to Special Task Force. District Health Society Thobal organized first National Deworming Day event for this year at 5-star English School Lilong, Ataukong today. It may be recalled that National Deworming Day is an initiative of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, which is organized on every February 10th and August 10th of every year. Thobal District Additional Deputy Commissioner L. Radhakanta kicked off the event by administering Alveljadol tablet to children between the age of 1 to 19. Speaking at the event, El Radhakanta said the first round of the campaign aims to administer Alveljadol tablet to more than 1 lakh students at a government school, private school, aided schools and Angawadi in the district. He asserted that left out children in the first round will be converted into mop-up round on February 17. CMO Thobal Dr. N. Jayantakumar, District Family Welfare Officer Thobal, Dr. KSH Memsa, District Program Manager, CH Basanta, Principal of 5-star English School, Muhammad Slaudin attended the event. Caesar Hospital also held National Deworming Day today. Staffs and nursing students of the hospital administered Alveljadol and vitamin A tablets to 750 children between 1 to 19 years at the event held at Caesar Hospital Langol, Caesar ENT Hospital Lamfeld, Caesar City Dental Hospital Sega Road. Deputy Commissioner of Kakching District, Valentina Arangbam, also launched the first round of National Deworming Day at Kakching District today. District Health Society Kakching organized the event at Practicing Junior High School Kakching. District Program Manager of Health Society Kakching, Nauran Roman, stressed on the observance at the event. District Health Society Jiribam also held National Deworming Day at Jiribam Higher Secondary School in Babapara, Jiribam today. Teachers of various schools, ASA and Angawadi workers administered Alveljadol tablet to children between 1 to 19 years and 2 students of Jiribam Higher Secondary School at the event. Kaisamthong High School under Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India Field Outreach Bureau held one-day special outreach program on Swasthya Action Plan, Swasthya Bharat Abhiyan, ban on single use of plastic at the school campus today. The event was held on the occasion of the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. A quiz competition was also held as part of the event. Headmaster of Kaisamthong High School, O. Ibetombi, felicitated the winners of the competition with prizes and certificates at the event. Now news from the world of sports. 41st Sub-Junior, Junior and Senior Artistic and 4th Aerobic Gymnastic Championship kick-off at Kuman Lambak Sports Complex Indoor Stadium today. Deputy Director of YAS Sports, Lukhosai Haukip, General Secretary of Gymnastic Federation of India and President of All Manipur Gymnastic Association, Dr. S. Santikumar, former Director of Sai NERC, L. Tiken, AMGA Vice President Dr. N. Bina Bond and many eminent members of the association took part in the inaugural event. The championship is held under the aegis of All Manipur Gymnastic Association. Altogether, 36 boys and 32 girls players will compete in 6 boys at artistic events, 4 girl artistic events and 1 girl aerobic gymnastic event at the championship. Speaking on the occasion, Deputy Director of YAS Sports, Lukhosai Haukip, urged players to maintain discipline and make all-out efforts to become an efficient player in the future.
M in life haibadi nakuina punsida kari oiningi haibadu adugi wakhan ga loina na nakui gymnastics da yawrakpani asida nakuina huzik a successful gymnastics asida nakui mi ama oige mi na khangba ikui state level khangde national level khangde international level khangde asida nakui mai pakpa mi ama oige haiba taradi nakui gymnastic amani haina na quiz da la hak phan jonglaga determination kanna eise heidaba yade eise mangondigi thuidaba yade haiba ma wakhan adu leitaradi hard labor fazana kanna honadradi ekhui any field na koi larik tambada oiresu kanna tamba tabani quality magun lebami especially magun lebami ma oibase ekhui gi tangai phadaba
Thoiba FC Hairok and IPM-SC Irombukri Mapal has entered the semi-final of the ongoing first Haisnam Nilkaman Mobi Memorial Under 40 kg 4A-side football tournament. In the third quarter-final match played at YIC ground in Kisamthong, Maning Longzam Laikai today, Thoiba FC Hairok thrashed UTLWO Uribok by 6-2, while the fourth quarter-final match IPM-SC Irombukri Mapal defeated UKCCL Oinam by 4-1. YIC Longzam Laikai will play against All FC Uribok Sorbontingen in the first semi-final match of the tournament on February 11th at 2 p.m. And IPM-SC Irombukri Mapal will play against Thoiba FC Hairok on the same day at 3 p.m. Youth Integration Club YIC organized the tournament. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Blacktopping along Kuangoi to Thiam Plai Sangkong distresses within 20 days. People expresses disappointment over failure of quality maintenance. National Book Trust India assures opportunity of translation and publishing of state's book in other languages of India, including English and Hindi. President of All Manipur United Clubs Organization, Federation Nando Luang says community-centric approach will hamper state's progress. And 41st Sub-Junior, Junior and Senior Artistic and 4th Aerobic Gymnastic Championship kick-off at Kuman Lambak Sports Complex Indoor Stadium.